Welcome back to another video on CoPMC Photography's channel. So this is just an update as to the rally shoot for this coming weekend, where I'm at, the information, what I'm dealing with, and so let's just jump right to it. So I have received the information in regards to what's happening, where the locations are. The only interesting thing is that they only give the directions to the locations from the rally headquarters. So it doesn't give you directions from the one stage and then from that stage to what the next stage is. It's always from the rally headquarters, and then from there, how do you get to all the other stages? I'm willing to admit I am directionally challenged. I rely entirely on like GPS navigation. I mean, I know northeast, southwest, but uh, in regards to something like this, where I'm in completely foreign land, no idea where I am, never been there before, and then having instructions that are from a different location back to another location, I have a feeling it's going to be interesting, and it'll be a lot of back and forth for myself. I'm going to try to Google Map all of this, from this stage to the next stage to the next stage. Hopefully there'll be signage as well. Some of the areas where I will be shooting, due to the media pass that I have, which is a whatchamacallit. Oh, my light died. That's not cool. That's interesting. Why did it? Oh, that's weird. It was at 100% before, but I guess it died. All right. Well, that was a fail. Got to charge that up. Anyway, like I was saying, so basically, I'm limited because I have a level 3 pass, so I can't go to every single area for media. It's my first time shooting. They care about safety. So, on the plus side, at least I do have the information that I need to be able to get from one spot to another. They do have the actual GPS coordinates, so they are very specific from rally headquarters. So the actual GPS coordinates, and then turn right onto this, travel however many kilometers north until you meet Highway 28 in Bancroft, and then at this junction off 28 and 62, T right to follow Highway 28 eastbound, travel straight. So, I mean, it's a lot of instructions. I don't know how much time I will have in between stages. As I said, this is all new to me, but I do have the information. And as of tomorrow, so tomorrow, I have to go to the rally headquarters to pick up my media kit. They are supplying me with a vest with a number and all that stuff. It's color coded, so they know that you're with, shooting the rally in regards to media. So I have to pick that up tomorrow. It's the only day to pick that stuff up and then come back. Then I have to head back out there for the Saturday, right? So, this is going to be pretty interesting. Okay, let's try to Google Map this and see if this actually shows up. So here is my travel route. So it's a 2 hours, 215 kilometers, close to 2.5 hours of travel. I have it so I'm not taking any toll roads, because every other option showed that there were toll roads on here for some reason. Um, yeah. So once I get up here, which would be, I guess that's where the rally headquarters is, then coming down here, here's one of the roads where the rally is taking place. But then it's a matter of figuring out, once you're at where one of the rally stages are, then, and I believe this was another one of them right along here. So that's where one of the stages are. And then from there, I have no idea. I'd have to really look at the names of the locations to figure out where to go after going here. But as you can see, I mean, it would be a lot of back and forth in regards to going back to the rally headquarters to then turn around and then head back out to where the next stage is, and then back to the rally headquarters, and then back to one of the stages, right? So yeah, as I said, this will be very, very interesting to experience. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. It's just an update as to exactly what happened, what's happening. I have everything printed out here so I can take it with me as my own co-driver. And I have to fill this in, well, sign it, hand it in, receive all my stuff tomorrow, and then reverse that, head back again on Saturday. I keep saying Friday. I have to pick my stuff up tomorrow, which is Friday, and then the rally is on Saturday. So tomorrow's going to be about 4 to 5 hours of driving just to go pick the stuff up, talking about the return trip, and then another 4 to 5 hours of travel there and back on the Saturday. So yeah. All right, that's going to be a super early morning for me. Oh my god. As if it starts at around 9, I want to be there early, so say about 8, so 7, 6. So I'd have to leave here at like 6. Oh god. All right. Anyway, yeah, this is going to be fun. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Like the video, click like if you like the video. If you have any words of encouragement, that's always appreciated. I don't know what I'm doing this time. This is the first time I'm completely out of my realm. But yeah, it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. Hopefully I get a lot of really good shots to share with everybody. And, once this is all said and done, I will talk about the experience, and stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to go. I'll catch you on the next video.